Questo è il lago di Iseo. Si narra che su queste acque abbia navigato la prima
This is
barca
Lake
a
Aseo.
motore.
It is said that on these waters the first motorboat was operated. It was 1880. We can say that here the history of yachting was born, and today we are here to discover what could be the future of yachting.
Le barche elettriche o ibride sono praticamente sconosciute.
Electric or hybrid boats are practically unknown. Yes, there are a few. Do you want to find out how they are made, what they are made for, and how widespread they are? If so, follow us on this trial.
Questa imbarcazione è costruita da un cantiere
This boat is built by an
italiano,
Italian shipyard, Ecoline Marine. It is called the Eco 800 Hybrid, and as its name says, it can work both with a diesel propulsion or with an electric motor. Hybrid, exactly.
Può svolgere la funzione di un taxi, ma è anche un tender o una
It can act as a taxi, or also as a tender or a limousine, as you prefer, with plenty of space to seat your passengers, both at the stern and under the deckhouse, protected from the elements. It's even heated. The steering instead is concentrated in the vertex of the bow.
È lunga 8 metri.
It is 8 metres and 17 centimetres long and 270 centimetres wide, and has a dry weight of 3 tons.
La caratteristica principale è dovuta proprio
Its principal characteristic is due precisely to its mode of operation, indeed, to its many modes of operation.
In questo momento abbiamo avviato
At this
il
moment, we
motore
have started the diesel engine, a
un
170
R470
horsepower Mercury,
cavalli in
the
modello
2-litre model to be
2.0.
exact.
Abbiamo dato gas e naviga come una qualsiasi imbarcazione.
We gave
con
gas and
motore a
cruised
scoppio,
just like
anche
any other boat with a
con un po'
motor,
di rumore,
even with a little
soprattutto
noise,
quando
especially
chiediamo
when we ask for
potenza e
power
coppia
and torque
nella fase
as we
di
enter
ingresso
into
in
planing.
planata. Per favorire l'assetto abbiamo i flap.
To facilitate the ascent, we have the flaps. We lower them slightly and find that at 2,400 RPM, the hull begins to plane. The speed is 9 knots.
L'ideatore di questo scafo e di altri molto simili, ibridi o elettrici, è Fausto Colombi.
The creator of this hull and others very similar, hybrid or electric, is Fausto Colombi, a life dedicated to the construction of boats and yachts, even very famous ones. Over 50 years of experience have led him to choose a new ecological path.
Nel 2009 ha brevettato una propulsione ibrida e oggi finalmente vede le sue barche navigare.
In 2009, he patented a hybrid propulsion, and today he finally sees his boats navigate in this mode. But what is the difference compared to other hybrid units? This is not the first. There are many others, but the challenge is always the same: to combine the two systems of propulsion, electric and diesel, and above all else, make an easy, safe and reliable system that allows you to switch from one operating mode to the other. Look how simple it is to change engines.
Ho semplicemente premuto un pulsante e il sistema ha spento.
I simply pressed a button. The system turned off the diesel engine. Do we hear it? No, not anymore. And I turned on the electric one, which is now propelling the boat. And the throttle is still the same. I accelerate and increase the number of revolutions of the electric motor and the speed of the boat.
Siamo a 1200 giri.
We're at 1,200 RPM and the speed is exactly 5 knots right now, a decent pace to navigate in protected waters.
Sul pannello è sempre evidenziato lo stato di carica delle
The
batterie.
panel shows the battery charge status. We still have around 70% available.
Se rallento,
If I slow down, my autonomy increases. But if I accelerate, the energy consumption increases and naturally the time and distance in which I can navigate in electric mode are reduced.
il problema di questo tipo di impianti è sempre lo stesso, la durata delle
The problem of this type of system is always the same, the duration of the batteries. But here is a solution. Just press this button on the lever. It says regeneration. Here it is.
In questo momento il motore diesel sta
In this moment, the diesel engine is driving the electric motor, which no longer serves to push the boat, but becomes an alternator for charging the batteries. Simple, no?
In questa maniera diciamo che
In this way, we say that the autonomy of the vehicle corresponds, well, to the capacity of diesel tanks.
Non ho ancora però utilizzato tutte le funzioni di questo sistema piuttosto.
I have not yet used all the functions of this rather complex system, but it is made rather simple by its electronics. We have, in fact, on the joystick another button. It's called Booster. What does that mean?
In questo momento il motore
At this moment, the electric motor is added to the diesel engine to give me even more thrust, even more speed.
Questa è forse la funzione meno utile.
This is perhaps the least useful function, because to go faster, just push with the throttle in diesel mode.
Ecco, ora
Here, now the Eco 800 Hybrid becomes even a faster boat.
Siamo a 3700 giri minuto.
We're at 3,700 RPM and the speed is 22 knots. It was not easy to produce all these components and systems, but above all, it was not easy to make them communicate, to have them work together. Many Italian companies took part in the realization. And we could say that the engine is also partly Italian, because the 170 horsepower Mercury is actually produced on the basis of the MR504 LX model, a 4-cylinder, 2,000 cubic centimetre, built by VM Motori in the province of Ferrara.
Ora immaginate quale attività potrebbe svolgere questa imbarcazione. Per esempio, se fossimo
Now imagine what activities this boat could do. For example, if we were in Venice, we could use it along the canals between the buildings in electric mode, quiet, and then, once we arrive in the lagoon, turn on the diesel engine and go faster to other destinations. The Lido, Torcello, Burano, Murano.
Beh, insomma, è una barca davvero
So
versatile.
in short, it's a really versatile boat. Who knows, maybe once again, Lake Aseo is the origin of a new nautical history.
Storia nautica.